When the skies opened over Spain's eastern Valencia region on October 29, 2024, no one imagined the devastation that would follow. The Poyo ravine swelled, unleashing catastrophic flooding across 75 municipalities in eastern Spain. 7 months later, signs of the physical devastation remain visible. But alongside this destruction, another reality has emerged: a profound transformation in how people and entire communities relate to one another.
Amid so much material and emotional ruin, we have also witnessed something luminous. The crisis has enabled many to set aside habits of individualism and revealed our capacity for genuine mutual support, a love of neighbors that has guided our recovery.
Young people from affected areas and across Spain engaged in Bahai community building endeavors that build capacity for service, assisted with clearing debris and supporting affected neighborhoods. The National Spiritual Assembly of the Baha'is of Spain offered the Bahai Center in Liria to house security personnel responding to the disaster.
What began as practical aid transformed into a shared journey of learning. Officers would return each evening, exhausted from their work in devastated communities, finding not just physical rest, but genuine human connection.
In neighborhoods where people had previously been engaged in Bahai community building initiatives, there emerged a response that addressed both material and spiritual dimensions of recovery. In the days following the disaster, facilitators of Bahai moral and spiritual educational programs began improvising classes for children in Algemesí, one of the hardest-hit areas, where schools had been destroyed.
They created a learning space amid remarkable circumstances, at times using the hood of a damaged car as a makeshift desk. Despite the challenging conditions, they engaged the children in activities that offered not just moments of distraction from the devastation, but genuine joy.
The October floods sparked an immediate wave of solidarity. Yet what is most striking is how that first impulse has been cultivated and sustained through community building initiatives.
Hope comes from seeing unity among people. People find strength to serve by seeing how others are also helping. What everyone has in common is the joy they feel in helping people they don't even know.